Hi everybody, it's Tim O'Shea, the real estate guy in Ortley Beach. I was thinking the other day it might be a good idea to film the recovery effort here in Ortley Beach over the coming days, weeks, months, and I guess years. So I went out and bought a video camera. Here's my first shot at doing something like this, so please have some patience watching this. What I'm going to do is go around today. It's early September, summer's over, most of the tourists are gone. Easier for me to get around. I'm going to try to highlight some of the nice things that are going on in Ortley Beach. I hope you enjoy it. Well, this is probably a very familiar face to most of you. It's Barnacle Bill's right here in Ortley Beach. A little bit closer view of him. This is one of the highlights of Ortley Beach so far. The family has reconstructed everything here at the miniature golf part of Barnacle Bill's. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It is finished and open for business for a couple of weeks already. Alright, here's a little bit more new construction right on 4th Avenue and Nichols. Modular construction. And just across the street we have another home being raised. So plenty of progress over here. That is of course right behind Barnacle Bill's.